What day is it not, Trevor?
It's not World of Coffee Day, everyone.
No. What
It's
day
my
is it?
birthday. So don't go thinking it's World of Coffee Day just because my Facebook cover photo says it, okay? Just a general PSA.
It's Trevor's birthday and it's Friday. It's a Friday vlog. It's Friday. It's a Friday. Oh,
It's a Saturday. It's a Saturday vlog.
It's Saturday. It's a Saturday vlog.
vlog.
It's Saturday. Wow, I practiced that in my head, saying it's Friday.
Well, let me tell you, you did really well.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so the parents were up late baking a cake. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Trevor's birthday cake.
Yeah, they killed it.
And
In a great way, I hope. Thanks.
I made it. They were literally just baking it. And Trevor's obsessed with the chickens.
They're just fascinating.
They're so cool. And so we're gonna let them sleep in, and we're gonna knock out these chores. Trevor's gonna milk for the first time since being home from medical school. Oh my goodness! Okay, look at them.
All right.
They have started
Oh, they're cute.
to be sleeping. I can't even talk. They're so cute. They used to sleep down here under the heat lamp, but now that it's finally warm, they sleep up there. Look at Bendy.
She's
I
really cute.
can't. We weighed her yesterday, and she weighs 4.3 pounds.
Aww, adorable.
Yes.
Panda, your
hair's
hair is
all
all
wet.
messed up. Betty,
No.
stubby toe, don't come in.
Okay, Trevor, I just want to know how it feels to be back
Feels great.
in your natural habitat.
Feels like I never left my natural habitat.
These teats feel exactly the same.
Just the same.
Purdy seems happy.
Yeah, when I
Look
first
at that mouthful.
when I first started, she like squatted so low, like her udder was in the container, and I was like, "Are we not trusting? Do you
No.
not remember me?" But then she stood right back.
Oh, that's good. Well, if she gets grumpy, you can give her some shave hay. So we have bouncy baby Gamora. We now. Okay, then we have a goat visiting us from our friend's farm. She's being bred to, I cannot remember, not Stunning, because Stunning is her either son or nephew. She's being bred to Snoopy? I believe that. And then in this stall, which is usually Magic's stall, we have two more girls, Charlotte and Madeline. Madeline, I can never remember. Hi, pretty girl. She's got these stunning blue eyes. They're being bred to Mr. Stunning, so they're over here. And they're gonna be here just for hopefully a week. So that means I feed Magic here in Mooney's stall, and Mooney gets to eat outside. Have fun. Dump this. And then there's that. And I just slide it on through. There you go, my muddy, muddy, muddy pony. Muddy boy. Okay, Mr. Crocodile has one ear that has perked up and one ear that is still a little bit floppy. Bindi, of course, is perfect. But then Mr. Hunter, look at those floppy ears. Oh, Bindi's peeing. I think he's like straight up eating grain. He's like a week and a half old. Oh, hello. Hello. Love the baby kisses. And now Bindi gets a snack. I do have to hold her leg up because Scarlett was letting her eat just like without a worry. And now she's not as willing. So I think probably another week from now we won't have to do this. But did you get a snack? Did you get a snack?
Okay, I'm gonna put these in with the girls.
Okay. Look at Gamora bouncing around.
Big girl.
Gamora, and there's Bindi. Oh. The girls are meeting. Yeah, there are only baby girls in the barn right now.
No. No.
No, it's true.
It's not a baby.
Yeah. Is someone biting you?
Yeah.
Is it Tudball? Is it Marigold?
Yeah, it's Marigold.
Yeah.
She's the cow one, right?
Yeah.
And that's like just as big as Sandy.
Who?
Gimme.
Gamora is a spaz.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Bendy, what are you initiating this? What do you think's going to happen?
She says, I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna show her what's what.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna show her my bendy power.
Oh my. She's a wildlife warrior.
Ooh. Look at those little ears.
Look, they're best friends.
Bendy is just like half the size.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Papa's like, I want to play.
Trevor, you got a friend?
I got a friend. Gamora and I are just hanging out.
Trevor and Gamora hanging out.
Hanging out.
If you've seen my Disneyland vlogs, you'll know a reference.
Wait, you're what?
Referencing.
Oh.
And last week I was singing Scarlett's praises, but now look at what she has done. What do you have to say for yourself? In her defense, she was out of food, so I was milking her without her eating, so
Dangerous.
I was asking for it.
Dangerous.
Magic, what have you done? What have you done? Are you serious? I guess I'll put some medicine on that. Okay, I've doctored his nose, and these are fly masks. Not blindfolds, they can see through them. Trust me. And Magic's rocking purple. And Mooney is rocking this nice blue. Don't rub on it. Is it because your forelock is still in?
Is this a good amount, or do you want like...
I didn't know we had a new latch.
The ladies are out.
What the heck is this block? Do I move it?
You gotta lift it up.
Oh, and then it sits on it.
Yep.
Oh, I like these.
Hello. Hello, little boy. These boys aren't very friendly. It's too bad.
I know, they're just gonna be so hard to handle. His little spot really looks like a heart. I'm gonna close in on it.
You think so?
It does right now.
He's got two little gray moon
If I
spots
use
behind his ears.
and my imagination, and I have a very good imagination.
Look, our ears are almost pricked up. Look, we got
Yeah.
one that's up and one
He
that's
doesn't look
almost
like the
up.
flying nun anymore.
But then we got our little board
Oh, there we go.
boat. Floppy board.
Who got in with red?
Oh gosh. Where's my baby?
Where's Bindi? Bindi, the jungle girl. Hi, Bindi. Oh, she's up to 4 pounds now. I can't stand it.
Someone's coming to see you.
Red is such a good mama. The good mama. So cute. He jumped right out of the picture. Behind the back, round and round she goes.
Where is she stopped?
Nobody knows.
Here, come here. Show everybody your beautifulness.
So. Oh.
Come here. No, he's like, I don't. What are you trying to do here?
You don't do that. Okay.
Oh.
Me.
I always love this. I love riding on the tailgate around the.
I almost fell. I'm so. Why would he do that? I almost fell.
We almost lost Mom.
How would that have been if I had turned my face first in the gravel?
I cannot believe it just happened.
He probably went faster than he thought he was going to.
Okay, we're gonna get off now. Hey, we're here at the Hinkley Trail.
I think you mean the three of us because
We're here for birthday hiking for Trevor's birthday. It's about 5 o'clock. This is the latest we've ever started a hike, but it's gonna be great. Okay, we got to our turning point, which is this creek. And Trevor, the birthday boy. And this cool little cement slab. This used to all be rocks and really hard to cross. And now we go back up.
Hey.
Oh, my headband has, oh no, it's still on my head.
Oh.
We survived our hike.
But just barely. We're all a little tired.
But then we all came in and sat down. I laid down. And
laid on the ground.
for like, I don't know, 30 minutes.
Has it been 30?
I think so.
Wowzers.
So Trevor and I are going out to do chores now.
Yeah. Hey, Betty Davis.
So Mom told me if I see a girl in heat to come get her to take care of it.
Yeah.
And Dad thought that was funny.
Yeah.